SOA XMP practice question number 48. In a survey of job applicants, 20% apply for managerial positions, 30% apply for technical positions, and the other 50% apply for administrative positions. 6 applicants are randomly selected. Calculate the expected number of selected applicants for technical positions, given that at least one of the selected applicants applies for managerial positions. Let's take a look at the solution. First, we list out the probabilities. The subscript M, T, and A represent managerial, technical, and administrative positions respectively. We have PM 0.2, PT 0.3, and PA 0.5. Define the event. Let NM be the number of applicants applied for managerial positions. NT, the number of applicants applied for technical positions, and NA, the number of applicants applied for administrative positions. We need to get this conditional expectation, the expected value of NT, given that NM is greater than or equals 1. Make use of the law of total expectation. The expected value of NT equals the expected value of NT given that NM equals 0 times the corresponding probability that NM equals 0, plus the second term, the expected value of NT given that NM is greater than or equals 1 times the corresponding probability. And we need to get this quantity. We first compute the probability that the number of applicants applied for managerial position is 0 and its complement event, NM greater than or equals 1. The random variable NM follows a binomial distribution with N equals 6 and P equals 0.2. Therefore, the probability that NM equals 0 has this expression. Simplify that. This is 0.8 raised to the power 6. And then its complement event, the probability is simply 1 minus 0.8 raised to the power 6. The next quantity we want to get is the expected value of NT, the expected number of applicants applied for technical positions. The random variable NT follows a binomial distribution with N equals 6 and P equals 0.3. The expected value is N times P. We have 6 times 0.3. We get 1.8. And then we need to compute the conditional expectation, E of NT given that NM equals 0. Here we need to update the probability of the technical and administrative positions here, given that NM equals 0. So the total probability that the selected applicants applies for technical and administrative position is 0.3 plus 0.5, which is 0.8. Out of this 80%, 30% applies for technical position and 50% applies for administrative position. So update the probabilities. So given that NM equals 0, the updated probability for technical position is the 30% over the 80%, which is 0.375. And the updated probability for the administrative position is 0.625. So the expected value of NT, given that NM equals 0, follows a binomial distribution with N equals 6 and P equals 0.375, which is 2.25. From that, we can get the desired quantity. The expected number of selected applicants for technical position, given that at least one of the selected applicants applies for managerial positions, is calculated as 1.6401.